Don't roast and roast, I'm begging them seeds that I'm not joking, so back up. Punk, slack up, watch your weak bosses before they get smacked up. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. So hey, what's up, ED? That's the Uzi, so blow up. Any whack MC that show up. There goes one block from now. Hold up. Don't make me wait. cause it might be too late. The funk wanna escape and buck wild, and let that fight my style. And I'ma get the bitch who charge punch crowd. It's my thing to swing the first mistake to brain. A duck MC that can't hang. Don't forget I'm Brady Swift. My name is Eric Sherman.
Yeah, and I'm Paris Smith.
I tell that fool and start blasting. Ha 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 ha. Now who's laughing? I'ma let this rock, but you owe me. Next time you see me,
holler like you know me.
Album this year, so this thing called is old leaf all long. As Jimmy blows up like a neutron bomb. Well, here goes the story. We do solutions when we meet the fellas, and it's how they go. I'm totally by the crew, and super chat. They go by the name of what? Of your life. Just because it do. It doesn't mean before. We go into a store and want a little more. 5-0 at the front and meet us at the door. Just because they see a few alarms on the floor, I'm gonna try to test because they think it's easy. But now they're on the island with some niggas saying busy. So after every show, all I want you to know is roll out to the bar, cash holes and clothes.
Since to this part about the boost sensation, I'm gonna take my father from my identification. N-O-N-T-L-O, don't you know I am a part of the life that live low? That doesn't mean we're savages, huh? We wear damage and guess use jeans, you see. We are the best that's boosting. You can have a seen outside, but just wait a while. And you will see my child, that we are the best in the whole U.S. By the way, that is designed laid across my chest. The American flag, which is a new low symbol. Going to a store like Jack, low nimble. Jack be nimble and Jack be quick. Jack jumped out of store with a full starter kit. It came with threats by polo shit. That's to cover up the holes on whatever you steal. I feel that you may try to doubt this. Your rights are just like rapping artists. Always coming in and always having missions. I'm about to talk a fact by now that needs stitches. Time is a wasting and I think we gotta go. Keep the flow well on, it's on the show and more transfer.
Hey, yo, represent, yo, Bob Low, yo, catch wreck, nobody's rule.
Church jazz,
technique. When they sweat the technique.
Nuestra arma es la música. La bomba está al punto de estallar. Corazones laten más rápido que Horizon se abre, standing back a massive city.
Place that, taste that, chase rap ill. When I rock that, I do bill. I got skills, not run of the mill. Told you before, I ain't never gonna chill. Blaze that up, we can raise that up. Sedate the rhyme, yo, pour it straight in the cup. Yo, break it down, so wearing the crown. All the little children now, please gather around. Listen to me, now while I'm spitting this free. Not the type of gas that you ever see like me. When I do this here, cause we bump in the hood. And records come out on the street and they go triple wood. The style just too high. Loving the rhythm, the way, and I make that pop. When it's something I can see, so I just don't stop. Right now, yo, the beat don't drop. Here we go.
Damn, another jam, another hardcore slam, another case of damage. It's the feature from who's on a rampage, raging all the time I get on stage. A mile, a minute, a rhyme, a second time of the mind on the dotted line. Trying to find a master with a brain like me. You ain't got it, G. I said I pace, you never chase. I rhyme and never leave a trace. I play your way you never heard before and you never will. Basically more than a simple sample. Played on live, this track's an example. So with all you know, I'll show you who's a pro. Let the chorus line blow.
On it. You see black fall back, son. Me and shots up in a black weed, no insurance. We like DEA serving warrants. So tell the freaks you know to stop pouring. We gon' grab the mic to get them off the wall so everybody in here can stop snoring. Doing the state money, unlock it. Pull it out your pocket. Been Banneker Bay with the animal rocket. Black order, all capitals, got to stop it. Girls, get your eyes back up, got to stop it. Focus, Florida, New York to Jordan. The lanes with my feet ain't even touch the soil yet. With a movement, the rap solution. It's up so hard, got a worldwide using it. Black to black, pathetic facts in a bowl of captain. Played by Samuel L. Jackson, yo. Insanity that's cold and morbid. The rhythm in your orbit, your soul absorbed. A real raw nigga won't fold or forfeit. A song break on and force it. To reach where the beat's at. And where the people like they see that. For what? Cause y'all on it. I'm like Aquaman and Brown Hornet. I'm like M.O.T.E.P. but don't flaunt it. Dog, we introducing. Master Sexian. No telling it, telling it, MCing. Fuck getting money for real. Get freedom. Black on the grind from AM to the PM. Splash up, blast up the X5 BM. Motive entertainment, the Philly mob win. We card so we not dim. With a nigga T3, nigga by 10. Winner in ill, get home, we gon' win. First things flawless, cats with no chin. The mics of black hole remain smoking. And ladies up in the places wide open for real. Know what I'm talking about? Pull it out your pocket, pull it out your pocket, pull it out your pocket.